Hey boys, are you ready for the ride? So today is day 4 of Open Source Contribution Challenge, and today is no success day. I didn't made any PR today. I was just checking random repository and I like this one. For Podman desktop, I think there is like some kind of future for this. There are contributors, like a lot of them, but when I checked the inside, I saw that it's like very few people are contributing a lot, and most of them are like very little ones or something like that. Well, that's a trend I see everywhere. And then I saw that there are lots of issues. I can solve something, and I don't know why. I searched for the good first and picked the first one, and the whole, not the whole day, but whatever time I've been with my laptop and trying to solve it, getting frustrated, I was just doing something random and I realized that why I'm doing this. First of all, this issue states that there is this update function. Whenever like Podman gets updated, there is an update button and it shows a progress, but there is no progress visible stuff on taskbar. And then he asks to use this particular API extension API or window with progress stuff like this function. It can help you give a progress bar on the task. So if you are wondering what is a taskbar, this button, it's a taskbar. In Windows it's at the bottom and there will be like windows listed up here. You can by the next one. So this thing was supposed to be solved. First of all, I'll show you. What was my biggest problem is that I thought that there will be a update button somewhere. At first, I was using Podman from our repository, but later on, I realized that this is the latest because I'm on a rolling environment. Later on, I just been to GitHub of Podman, and there was the binary for Podman, and I downloaded. The latest version is 5.6.0. I'm using 4.9.0 and there is no update button coming up here. Neither here. It was supposed like you can see up here for this kind something like this. Kind is a Kubernetes utility. There is update button for this, but for Podman there is no update button. I don't know what to do. I thought that there it would be here, but no, it's not here. And what should I do? What should I really do? Hey, maybe I didn't try this, so why not? Let's try it in front of you. Ah, so here is the Podman which I am using for now. And what is this? Set to default node. Reset to default. Node remote. Yeah. Okay. Will this do the job? Not sure. I don't know. But the whole thing is that the most of the time I was spending my time trying to get that update button. I did try different things. First of all, I was confused where it should be. I searched for it, but I didn't get it. I did search for some articles, but there also I didn't get it. But at the end, I asked the perplexity. That happens. And somewhere from here, I'm getting nothing random. Like, see, I don't know where it is shown that there will be update button. Okay, see. Yeah, it shows that there will be this update provider from resource page. Yeah, that's it. That's it. That's the thing. There should be, and it's not there. Now see, this time started without the update button again. So overall, I'm unable to get an update button. That's fine. Leave that. The biggest issue is that I'm using XFC, and believe me or not, in XFC, in the taskbar, this task button doesn't show any progress. It's not implemented. There is no way to see a progress in this taskbar. And I'm thinking what I'm trying to solve, what I was trying. I don't know. Whole time I was trying to get that update button, and then I realized that it can't be there because, like, it can be there, not about the update button, but the progress on the button, like on the task button, won't be there. This whole issue is not for me. If I want to solve it, I need to install some other desktop environment. But how do I get that update button? Should I drop a message saying that I am unable to get an update button? Then I don't know. Will it be welcomed? What should I do? As a viewer of mine, please suggest me something. Should I just drop a message asking you how to get that update button? I'm unable to get the update button. Well, that's all for today. I'll try something else tomorrow, maybe from this repository itself, not the same issue. I'll try to do something where there is some clear step to just do the issue like a bug. Maybe enhancement is something not for me, or I don't know. I'm just underestimating the things. Maybe. Anyways, thank you.